Hi, and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm doing my NFTs Cracked review. This is my latest course that I'm releasing on February 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern. However, I do have an early bird pricing for my subscribers on my YouTube channel and my subscribers on my list. I'm giving you a 7 off for this 7-day period before the launch starts on the 28th. So right now you'll be able to get it at an early bird price. You need to go through the links below so you can click and get your coupon, and then you can get access to it. You'll be the first to get access to my course. Now, this course is basically the responsible for my 20,000K in NFT flipping. I was able to generate this through flipping various images that I found that were actually rare, and I purchased at a low cost. We're talking about $11, and some of them were even free. Now, inside the course, where I'm going to be showing you step by step what I did using my own blueprint on showing you how you can go out and flip, actually find, discover rare collections or images where they are the lowest price, where you can then later on or even instantly flip them for instant profits. This could take a day, this could take 24 hours, this could take a week, this could take a month or a few months. It really depends on the collections. And I teach you everything inside because it happened to me through all the types of phases. Now, inside NFTs Cracked, I'm going to show you what you're getting inside the members area. The course is a step-by-step, over the shoulder, sharing you exactly what you need to be doing to setting up your accounts and getting out there and start playing with NFTs. I made it so stupid simple that anybody that doesn't have a clue about what NFTs are will be able to start generating profit or money through flipping NFTs or holding them for a passive income. And inside, I'm covering everything that you need for you to get started. This is for the total newbie, somebody that is clueless, because 8 months ago, I was clueless as well. I opened the door to this opportunity. I was able to test the waters. It was an interesting journey. I got scammed. I lost money, but everything at the end was very rewarding for me because all it took is just one image that brought me back 10x the ROI of my investment, of my initial investment. And we're talking about investments of low costs, low cost fees. There are zero cash fees. That we're talking about buying an image for $11 that is probably rare and profitable in the next few weeks, days, hours, who knows? It really depends on the collection. Now, inside the training, I do take you step by step on everything that you need to take, the tools, free tools. There's nothing that you're going to be paying extra in this course. Everything is basically free for you to get in. The only thing that you're going to be funding are your wallets, and we're talking about a few dollars. Okay, so inside the course, it's a step-by-step training. Like I said, I'm taking you over to various modules and training, and it's really easy to follow and easy to implement. It's very fun. It could be highly addictive. And other than that, it's very risk-free because the budgets that you're playing with are less than $100. They could bring you over thousands of dollars based on my own personal result. I've been on this journey and I've been making sales with NFTs, and the highest that I've ever made on this platform was about 20 Solana, which was around $3,000 back in December and January. Now that amount is volatile. It goes up and down, and the price is always changed. But during that time when I was making those sales of 10 Solana, these were like 2,300 during that time. And as I was going, I was actually making even more sales, 15 and making more sales. Hold on. I'm talking about the highest ones and everything that I was making. 20 Solana sale, 10 Solana sale, 10 Solana sale. So all these were sales that, like, these were worth $3,000, $3,043. I had the proof of screenshots back then. Like I said, the market changes. So if Solana is at $200, basically this is around $3,000. Now it's around $100, so this would be half that. But doesn't matter. I was able to generate 20,000 from making sales and flips from various marketplaces as well. Okay, so I've found a method where I'm out there finding rare images that either launched or about to launch, or rare collections. They're going to be profitable. Basically, I find rare images after there's the collection out on the thing, but I covered too many things inside my training where I covered the before, the after, this phase 1, phase 2. So I'm basically taking you by the hand, and I don't want to basically confuse you on this review video of my own course. Okay, so I've made it stupid simple. So it's like I'm giving you two paths that you can take. There's a quick profit path, there's a long-term profit path, there's a passive holding path. There's a way of finding rare images at very low cost that people don't even know that they have at hand, that you can take advantage of. And it's a beautiful little game that you will be addicted to and you will enjoy. So inside my training, you will learn the exact methods where I was able to generate the results that you're seeing on the sales page. Everything is based on my results. And you can see here, like this was in the beginning when I was making 40 Solanas, around 6,000. So I told you it's like 3,000 back then. And I'm sharing with you the step-by-step full blueprint that I'm using, which anybody can get started. Now, there's a lot of people that have gotten access already to this, and they've been praising my system through emails that I've been receiving. It's beautiful to get emails from people telling you and praising you on the product that you created. And it's something that I'm appreciative as well when I'm putting out something that is of value. And this 62-year-old woman she's like, finally, there's a course out there that explains everything as it's supposed to be. So this is based on my results. And I'm giving you a lot of more information inside about NFTs that you can take advantage. Here's another one, another customer of mine. None of these people had access to it. They actually purchased to get in. Just like maybe you'll have a chance to actually get in at a very small discount right now. But the discount won't be forever. It ends at 28th of February, just so you know. So this person also just started going through the NFTs Cracked. He's blown away by this training. Very simple to understand. Great value so far. Exciting times ahead. So he's excited about NFTs. Now, nobody's really seen results because I just opened this up. So I'm expecting results, and then I'll be adding them on the sales page as well. But I'm really excited because this is a really good course. I've really put my heart into it. And I wouldn't have created it if my wife didn't come and tell me, Demetrius, you just generated like $20,000. What are you doing? This is like a course that you need to put out. And I did. And it's at a hot time right now. So I think a lot of you are going to be appreciative of the timing that I'm bringing this in, because it's so stupid simple, so affordable for anybody to go in and actually get started with NFTs. I mean, it's such a fun thing. It's risk-free. What I have for you is risk-free. And also, I'm also saving you from being scammed from many mistakes that I've made. And I've made it so silly, easy for you to follow. I'm expecting you to see results as well. So it's going to be a fun ride. And finally, you're going to learn what NFTs is all about and how you're going to make money from it. Okay. I made a lot of sales from this, and it's very rewarding. Okay. Because all the hard work or money that you will probably spend by buying little images here and there, well, one of them is going to pay back for all the rest that you have put inside your campaigns or whatever you're about to embark on. So NFTs Cracked is launching on February 28th, but I have it open for my subscribers. So if you want to be a subscriber, you're going to have to click the links below, get on my list. A pop-up will pop up, and you'll get your code to jump on. Okay, this is only for a few days. Over the weekend, I'm shutting this down. I'm letting you know. Before the 28th, I'm shutting this down, putting it out there. So anybody in my list that hasn't picked up NFTs Cracked at the lowest price right now, get in now. Okay, thank you, and I'll talk to you inside NFTs Cracked.